I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the one of the best gameplay experience you can get in the IQ7 device while playing Call of Duty. So yes friends, only while playing Call of Duty you can get ultimate experience in the IQ7 device. The reason why I'm saying that you'll understand in this entire video, so try to watch till end of the video friends to get to experience this amazing gameplay in this IQ7 device while playing Call of Duty game. And in case if you're having the IQ7 device and if you did not try the Call of Duty game, please try to download and try the Call of Duty game. You will feel a little bit kind of difference when playing normal games versus the Call of Duty game. So let me try to explain friends what are the factors which makes the Call of Duty game perfect for this IQ7 device. So recently with the Realme X7 Max, they did tease while launching with the Asphalt 9. I think the IQ7 team, they should launch this phone by teasing with the Call of Duty after using this kind of game friends. The first reason why I picked up the Call of Duty particularly is that in the IQ7 device you do have plenty of options in the ultra game mode, so which is a game frame interpolation and 4D game vibrations as you can see, and game display enhancement. So game display enhancement will be available in all the games and all the applications, so there is no problem in that. But the game frame interpolation and the game 4D game vibrations, these two will be only available in few of the games only, so not in all the games it's present. So it's very hard to find the games which are supported friends, but right now I did install the PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9 and Call of Duty, and 3 games only supported with the 4D vibrations out of 20 games which I installed as you can see. And next thing, with the game frame interpolation as well, only few games will be supported with the game frame interpolation, and the combination of game frame interpolation and the 4D game vibration, there is only one game which you can see, which is the Call of Duty. So that is the reason Call of Duty will make definitely next level experience while you are playing in the IQ7 device. So trust me friends, in the before I did not play much, but after getting this phone I started to play a lot of Call of Duty games in this IQ7 device. So mainly because of where you can experience 4D vibrations plus game frame interpolation. So in terms of the game frame interpolation, it's not I think it's kind of a little bit kind of gimmick at this point, but still you may not feel that much kind of huge difference, but definitely you'll notice little bit kind of difference in terms of the smooth animations and faster touch input, something like that you will definitely feel if you're trying to use the game frame interpolation. That is what I felt during my usage with this gameplay. So even I'll try to do the screen recording test as well while playing the Call of Duty game. So by using the real-time FPS meter which I'm trying to use on the top, as you can see friends clearly. Let me try to show you the exact settings what I'm trying to use right now in this kind of screen recording. So you know, let me try to go to the settings first and show you the graphics. As you can see friends, I'm trying to use the maximum and very high and max, as you can clearly see here. So if you try to use a medium quality, what happens is that you do get a slightly better higher frame rate. So that is what I did test. I did prefer, but right now for the test comparison, so let's try to use with the normal high settings only everything. And the screen recording I did set to the maximum to the 60 Hz refresh rate, the 60 Hz frame rates of recording, screen recording. So let me try to show you the screen recording option whether I can find. So yep, screen recording, and the quality set to the high as you can see, and the record sound is system audio and the microphone sound as well, so you can even hear my voice when I'm trying to play the gameplay. So that is what my intention of recording. Let me try to start the screen recording as well while starting the match. So now you will be able to see the screen recording as well. As you can see friends, right now the screen recording has been started, and let me try to use all the features. So 4D vibrations is also turned on, and game frame interpolation is also turned on at this point, and game display enhancement also turned on. So right now you'll be able to you'll be able to feel the difference or not. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you feel the difference or not right now. Let me try to enable that, and let me try to start playing this match, and let's see. And before starting this test, and the temperature is about close to 36 degrees. So right now 38 degrees as you can see friends. So 36 and 38 degrees right now. So before starting the test, 38. So let's see after a few matches how much will be the temperature. That is what I'm trying to see right now. So right now I'm getting the real-time FPS meter is about 60 FPS meter. Let me try to slightly zoom into the camera. So I'm getting about 60 FPS consistently and 58. So this is just the multiplayer test, so which I'm trying to do right now. So in case if you want me to do the battle royale test, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video. So 59 FPS right now, 60 FPS consistently I'm getting, so without much problem. So right now I'm getting about 60 FPS consistently, no issues. So 60 FPS maintaining consistently, no, not much problem at this point. So right now I'm getting about 60 consistently maintaining, so no frame drops at this point. So 60 FPS, so not much problem. So even after 3 minutes of gameplay, still I was able to get the really good performance result. .60 FPS maintaining consistently without much problem. So till now not much issues regarding the touch, so no problem regarding the touch issues. So 60 FPS maintaining consistently, not much problem. .60 FPS maintaining consistently in this gameplay, no, not much problem. As you can see friends, right now for the first gameplay, so there is not much issues and the vibrations are really strong in this way, so I can definitely experience a really good result. So right now the temperature increased to 42 degrees after first few minutes of gameplay. After 5 minutes of gameplay friends, 42.8 degrees right now. So in the next result, let me try to use with the maximum medium graphics and high frame rate. So let's see whether we can see any kind of change in the frame rates or not. That is what I'm trying to check right now. Let me try to go back. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use with the medium and the maximum graphics during this time of gameplay. Let me try to start the match, so which is a multiplayer. So let's see friends whether we will be able to see any kind of change in the FPS or not. So I'm trying to use the game frame interpolation as well, so during this time of testing. So that is what I am really curious to see. So if the numbers are not displayed, but definitely you will feel little bit kind of difference friends using with game frame interpolation and without game frame interpolation. And make sure to comment below in case if you are having any other game so which all supports the 4D vibration sprays, game frame interpolation, these two combinations in one game. So make sure to comment below in case if you have any other games in your mind. So right now let me try to quickly open. So let's see what will be the real-time FPS is I'm getting. So I'm getting about 60, so not much change in terms of the FPS meter, even if I'm using the medium quality, same kind of results. So not much change is happening at this point. Even if I disable the game frame interpolation, let me need to turn off the game frame interpolation. Let me need to start playing the game.
Hardpoint identified. It's too close. Fight harder. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Lost the lead. Hardpoint is ours. Fight for the lead. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Lost the lead. Hardpoint locked out.
So same thing, I'm getting about 60 FPS, same result. So not much change in terms of the FPS count.
Hardpoint is ours.
Same result, 60 FPS I'm getting.
We've taken the lead. Hardpoint identified.
As you can see friends, 50 and 60 FPS. So it doesn't matter if you use the medium or high quality, you will be still getting the same kind of results during this time of gameplay. Even if you use the game frame interpolation as well, still there is no change at all. Let me try to use the game frame interpolation with 90 FPS. So I'm trying to use with the 90 FPS, but still no change. So the FPS slightly decreased, as you can see friends. It decreased to 45 and 44 right now if you're trying to use with a 90 FPS game frame interpolation. Let me try to change to turn off. So let's see when it's off. So when it's off, you're getting about 60 FPS. That's so weird. Even if you use 120 FPS, you're not getting more. As you can see friends right now clearly. So overall I did play the game for about 10 minutes, and during this 10 minutes of time, let me try to check the temperature, how much it is. Right now the temperature is about 41, so still not high. So 41 degrees it's maintaining temperature friends. So friends, this is a small quick game review on this Call of Duty in this IQ7 device particularly. So make sure to comment below in case if you are having any other queries regarding this smartphone. Definitely I'll try to do a video on that particular topic. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.